Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: iOS updated, stable Wi-Fi, and enough battery so the transfer won't pause. Open the App Store, download Google Photos, then sign in with your Google account. This ties uploads to your Google storage. Once done, grant the app access to photos when prompted so it can read images. This immediate permission prevents manual selection later and speeds the next step, configuring backup settings, so make sure to allow access now. You now go to Settings and tap Backup and Sync to control how your photos move to Google. Choose Original for full resolution or Storage Saver to conserve Google storage. The why is clear. Resolution affects quality and storage billing. Next, decide whether to allow cellular uploads. If you have limited data, disable cellular and stick to Wi-Fi. Also select which folders to backup: screenshots, WhatsApp images, so only what you want is synced. Make those choices now. Finish by watching the app status. You should see backing up with account. That confirms uploads are underway. Once the initial sync completes, verify a few images in Google Photos on web or another device to ensure consistency. If backup stalls, make sure Photos Access and Background App Refresh are enabled, then force quit and reopen the app. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. This often fixes corrupt state. And remember, check your Google storage quota so you don't hit limits during large uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.